Hey rock stars, it's your girl Beth. I know that you guys are used to me coming at you with some reviews for different products, but this is actually something that I really want to more talk about. It's called Rest More. We all know that I am on the go all the time with kids, with my job, with different things I have going on in my social life. And when I come home and want to hit the pillow, I want to go to sleep and I want to sleep sound. And that's what I get with Rest More. It mellows me out, chills me out, makes me super relaxed, and then I gradually go into a deep sleep faster than you would normally. And basically that creates for me a more intense deep sleep where I'm able to achieve a much better feeling when I wake up. It's not addictive. It just helps me create healthy sleep patterns. And that's what I need in my life, my crazy, chaotic life that I have. I know I use it. I know Adam and Sean use it, and we live by it because we're always on the go. So if you get a chance, give it a whirl. Look at the link below and try it out. Again, this is Beth with Rockstar Reviews. See you later.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Hello everyone, Dr. Carlo Ogier. Anyone who knows me would know that I wouldn't say this, but I didn't think it was true. On nights that I'm working early the next day, if I'm going to bed and have a lot of things in my mind starts to wander, and the pressure of falling asleep makes me actually be unable to fall and remain asleep. So the other night I was tossing and turning in bed. I've been like an hour, I'm not falling asleep, and then I went ahead and took the Rest More, 2 tablets. I took them and I said, okay, here goes nothing, and I lay down in bed, and I don't know how long it took, but it didn't take long at all. I didn't toss and turn, I just fell asleep. I thought, well, maybe I psyched myself up, maybe it was just something else. And the other night, it happened again. Tossing and turning, I need to get up early to do something. Oh my goodness, I'm not falling. I took 2 tablets of the Rest More, and again, within 10-15 minutes, I was asleep again. I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing, it just puts them to sleep. Rest More is a combination of proprietary blend. It has tryptophan and melatonin, which specifically helps people with sleep shift changes like jet lag, or they have shifts that changes. They have trouble just getting into sleep. It won't leave you groggy, it won't leave you tired the next morning because there's nothing in it that is sedative. So give it a try. So thank you, I hope you give it a try, and please let us know how it worked for you. We'd love to include you on our testimonials. Bye-bye.